Aohong is a modern high-technology manufacturing enterprise specialized in production and sales of glass products with an experience of more than 20 years. Our factory is located in Hengshui Development Zone, China. We are equipped with the advanced and complete machines and test facilities to produce high-quality and various kinds of glass products. Our own brand, Aohong products include high borosilicate reflex gauge glass, high borosilicate transparent gauge glass, rectangular glass, circular glass, quartz glass, aluminum silicon glass, optical glass, glass tubes and rods, gasket for glass, graphite gasket, mica gasket, non-asbestos gasket, PTFE gasket, and so on. Level gauge, reflex, transparent, sight glass type, glass machine, glass anisotropic edging machine, single-chamber vacuum coating machine, single-chamber vacuum coating machine, and related level bubble, level and other products. All products are manufactured to exacting international standards to meet safety regulations. We have professional engineer support, high-efficiency sales team, and competitive price superiority, and attract customers from all over the world. We export to over 40 countries, including German, USA, Italy, England, Japan, Russia, Korea, etc. They are very popular among users with excellent cost performance. We're looking forward to hear your idea, and we're glad to work with you and bring you the better and satisfied products which made in China. We will develop together with you and achieve win-win cooperation.